In this video, we review the best plumb bobs available, covering top options for accuracy, durability, and ease of use. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, find the perfect plumb bob to suit your needs. Let's dive into the STANLEY 47-9738-ounce brass plumb bob. STANLEY's plumb bob brings solid construction and reliable accuracy to any job requiring precise vertical alignment. The 8-ounce weight is ideal for most framing, deck building, plumbing, and construction applications. The polished lacquer brass body resists rust, offering long-lasting durability, while the screw top allows for quick and secure string attachment. One of its standout features is the replaceable hardened steel tip, which enhances its lifespan, and an extra tip is included for added value. The through-hole design ensures easy tightening, helping maintain precision during use. Whether you're working with transit location tools or just need a dependable plumb bob for general alignment tasks, this STANLEY model gets the job done. And all of this comes backed by a lifetime limited warranty, making it a solid, cost-effective choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Next up is the General Tools 790-5 Hexagon Steel Plumb Bob, a lightweight and reliable tool for precision vertical alignment. Weighing just 5 ounces, this plumb bob is crafted from cold-drawn steel and finished with a durable nickel plating that resists rust. With its hexagonal body, it's easy to handle and won't roll away when not in use. It features a removable cap for effortless cord replacement and includes a 10-foot-long braided cord, making it ideal for masonry, carpentry, and surveying tasks. At just 3 3/8 inches in length, it's compact enough for convenient storage while still providing excellent stability during use. The best part? You can pick this plumb bob up for around $6.95, which is an incredible deal for its performance and longevity. If you're looking for precision at an affordable price, this tool is hard to beat. Now let's dive into the TAJIMA PZ-B400 Plumb Bob Setter, a tool that brings precision and convenience to your vertical alignment tasks. This 14-ounce plumb bob stabilizes quickly within 6 seconds, ensuring fast and accurate measurements. With its versatile attachment options, you can use the setting pin for wood or drywall, the powerful magnet for steel surfaces, and the adjustable hook for nails or studs, making it ideal for a variety of construction environments. The 14.5-foot self-retracting cord allows for easy storage and quick deployment, while the auto-retracting pin striker is perfect for overhead settings with a hammer. Made for commercial-grade durability, the PZ-B400 is built to withstand demanding work conditions, offering long-lasting performance. Priced at $48.25, this tool offers exceptional value for professionals looking for a reliable and efficient plumb bob setter to tackle alignment tasks with ease. The STANLEY 47-974-16-ounce brass plumb bob is a high-quality tool designed for professionals who need precision in vertical alignment tasks. Constructed from solid brass with a polished lacquer finish, this plumb bob is not only durable but also resistant to rust, making it perfect for use in various environments. The replaceable hardened steel tip ensures longevity and sharpness, providing consistent accuracy. Its screw-top design simplifies the attachment of string to the center of the bob, and the through-hole makes tightening a breeze. Ideal for framing, deck building, plumbing, and surveying, this tool brings reliability and performance to any job site. At 16 ounces, it's well-suited for a range of tasks, and its compact design makes it easy to handle. If you're looking for a durable and precise plumb bob, the STANLEY 47-974 is a strong contender that should be on your radar. The Empire Level 932 BR 32-ounce brass plumb bob is a solid choice for anyone needing precision in vertical alignment tasks. Made from durable solid brass with a corrosion-resistant lacquered finish, it's built to withstand tough conditions. The plumb bob comes with a hardened steel tip, ensuring accuracy and durability over time. Whether you're working on deck posts, support beams, or plumbing, this tool is up to the job. We were impressed by the sturdy design, which offers a good weight and balance, making it easy to handle while maintaining precision. The plumb bob is also equipped with a convenient feature, an extra hardened steel tip to replace the existing one, prolonging the tool's life. With its reliable performance and construction, this plumb bob stands out as a dependable, affordable option for professionals and DIYers alike. For the price and performance, it's certainly worth considering for your toolkit.